Oil-containment booms are high-strength floating barriers used during the containment and of oil in calm water, moving and water areas. Made with marine-grade components and oil-rated fabrics, these containment booms are able to float in the water and contain oil while recovery away. Implementation of an oil boom after a spill helped to effectively contain oil to spill site and prevent further contamination in a water area. Floating booms, or impervious barriers that trap oil on the water surface, are universally called oil containment booms. They are generally manufactured from PVC or urethane material and are able to withstand the harsh conditions and elements typically found at an oil spill. Oil containment booms typically consist of the following elements: the freeboard, or the part of the boom above the water surface. The freeboard is designed to deflect or contain an oil spill. The skirt is the impervious barrier below the water surface. The skirt's depth varies according to boom type. The ballast is located at the bottom of the skirt and keeps the boom upright in the water. Connectors allow multiple boom lengths to be joined together to form one long continuous barrier. The first step is to formulate an anchoring plan. You need to decide how you will anchor or moor the oil spill boom. Key factors to consider in locating the boom include wind, waves, currents, tides, water depths, bottom conditions, and boat traffic in the area. You will need to select the appropriate anchor type. Danforth-style anchors are most commonly used based on price, availability, and ease of use, and should be used with chain between the anchor and line. Danforth anchors require a firm silt, mud or sand bottom to work effectively. Pyramid anchors can be much heavier, to 4,000 pounds, and combine friction and suction within the bottom material for holding strength. The pyramid anchors work better on rocky or hard bottoms. Beach stakes, or anchors, and existing pilings can also be utilized to secure containment boom into place. You should set the anchors and mooring lines before deploying the boom into the water. You should mark attachment points with buoys. Moving the oil spill boom, care should be to drag the ground. Sufficient air should be used to lift the booms to the water's edge, or onto a workboat. It should be arranged in an accordion so it can be pulled. You need to position the leading edge of the boom closest to the water, and connect a tow bridle to the leading end of the containment boom. The tow bridle distributes the force evenly across the end of the containment boom and provides a secure connection as the boom is towed. The boom should be arranged in an accordion pattern so it can be pulled into the water with minimal movement out of water. The boom are laded. Boom type, sections need to be connected via grommets. Grommet can be used by aligning the sections. Aligned, grommets are a rope or zip tie. Attach the sections of chain together using the shackles located bottom of the curtains. The curtain is towed out into position. A tow bridle is recommended for the occasion to help evenly distribute the weight. Keep bottom draft tied up will help to ease the towing process and make it easy to maneuver. A towing bridle is designed to hold an oil containment boom vertical in the water when under tow. If the boom is buried, please make sure that the anchor connected to buoy or other place prior to connecting the anchor to the boom. If applicable, anchoring along the length of the boom is done by attaching the anchored buoy to the curtain through the use of a painter line. This line should connect to anchoring points or section connectors located along the barrier. Buoys should be anchored into position prior to connection to the barrier. Anchoring placement is designed based on your water conditions and will typically be reserved to moving water applications. Anchoring at the ends of the boom can be done through items such as poly rope or anchor and tow bridles. Once connected to the ends of the boom, these items can be tied around docks, posts, designated anchor points, or items in your location. If the draft of the boom is tied up, these ties can now be released to allow the draft to fully extend in the water. All booms should be inspected periodically to ensure that all the components on the barrier are operating correctly.